Alright guys, furnace alert. I'm putting my cover back on, but I am going to do a decent job. I'm having a hard time finding the exact one I want because this is attached the way I want it to, with 4 clips like that. 1, 2, and 2 on the other side down over there. So I've got a piece of cardboard cut out here that's very, very, very close to what I, that's very, very close to what I need. And then I'm going to put just not a decorative piece of duct tape, but something that's equidistantly shaped to the size of the hood, and just to cover that up. I'm fussy. I can't find a bug detector or bug deflector that mounts without some kind of a hokey non-screw Velcro thing. There's one out there, but it's $250, so it's bugging me that this isn't on there. So I'm just going to stick this back on, do as careful a job as I can, and I'll show you when I get the duct tape back on there. Duct tape. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so it still looks kind of clunky, but now it's whole. I am going to round off right there, and I'm going to round off over here, and at least then should have some semblance of symmetry. Are you with me? I know this isn't the right thing to do, guys, but I am fussy. Even my repairs are fussy, right? Oh, gotta do it on the back too. That's no problem. Never thought about that, because there's 2 pieces of tape on there. I think I can just do this. There we go. Let's do the other side. Was bugging me, and I'm having a hard time. Oh, there's lots of them out there, don't get me wrong. And yes, this is going to leave a small scratch, but there, we're almost freehand now. Come on. See some light. Let there be light. All right, let's have a look at it. Don't laugh at me. Yeah, it looks okay. Now I'm just going to clean it up with a little bit of Windex. There. It's actually not bad. Looks like a design, doesn't it? Okay, so back to the real world.